Hi guys, welcome back to Spain, welcome to the channel. Now, this video is a sort of continuation of the last video. So the last one was I spent a few hours in Calp. But while I was there, I was sort of thinking I'll climb the mountain, should I, or climb the rock. I kept calling it stone to annoy everybody, but should I climb the rock? So I decided to do it, alright? Just about the stupidest thing I've ever done in my life. I don't like cliff edges. I can handle heights as long as they're safe and handrails that have been designed to be safe. But I was not expecting Calp Rock to be as tough and dangerous as it was. Afraid of what's out of myself. Not a climb for like amateurs like me. Especially someone who doesn't like cliff edges. So just before we get into the video, I want to offer my apologies to everybody, because you're about to see a grown man come close to crying. He's so frightened. It was terrifying. Terrifying. Did I make it to the top? Have to watch the video. Alright, but I hope you enjoyed it. So I'll talk to you later. It goes round and round in circles, but I'm still on the ground. It's a dizzying day. I don't even know, can you see that? Back up! Whoop! See, you're getting old. Slippery as hell. I really don't like this tunnel. Feels like I've been... Right folks, anyone who ever comes here, I didn't even notice the chain for a while, but it's dead slippery. I thought it was wet. It's just shiny when people walking on it. So use the handrail. Hola. Hola. Okay, no handrail anymore. This is the bit I don't like. Oh my god. There were people coming past me there and I moved right into the wall for them and they thanked me, but that's not why I was doing it. Right, put my camera away, I want both hands. See a bit further up. Top, don't know. And it's not tiredness this time. Right, we'll see. Or just sit beside me and never leave. Had to get the camera out. That's steep, boy, that's steep. People in front of me have stopped too. It's getting real dark. Can't believe it. Security goes. Where's the ropes? If I was tied onto a rope, it'd be alright. Good rope. So I'll sit down for a minute, settle down, give it another wee look in a minute. Now, it's pretty dodgy looking, but if that was the worst of it, I'd be okay. But what I'm thinking is, I go up there, frighten the outside of myself, get round another couple of corners and it's worse, because I know I wouldn't do worse. Let's see. Oh no, they've went. They've got their dogs with them and all. I never knew I was a wimp. No, well I did when it come to cliff edges. Always have been. The people in front of me, there's a man, his wife, 2 kids, 2 dogs. I wouldn't do it with them.
Eventually.
Right, I'm going for it. If I don't see you again, good luck. I just met 2, I'll just show you this. This looks bad, but it's not as bad. Obviously I made it over that bit, but just met 2 American fellas and they said it's about another 15-20 minutes, but that bit that I've done, it doesn't get much worse, although there's a couple of dodgy bits. By the way, last night I was looking through all the, on YouTube you have a dashboard and you can go in, you can look at absolutely everything, or how long people watch your videos, your best part of your videos, and where people are from, and male, female, age and whatever. And I noticed I have 12% of my viewers are American. And I didn't think we'd have any. I don't know how many, I didn't look to see how many were subscribers. But if 12% are American, welcome all you American people that watch and subscribe. Right, getting the dodgy bit again, start concentrating. The birds don't know how lucky they are. It's tough going, but it's not as tough as the last place. Steepness wise, definitely worse. Cliff wise, yeah. Not beautiful? Wonderful. Now I know what's going to happen here when we get to the top. If I get to the top, which I better do, now I'm determined to get, but the other side's going to turn out to be a big long slope with a road and taxis. Just get a taxi back down. No. Ooh. Don't like this bit either. Only known. Flipping YouTube channel, I'm gonna get myself killed. That white on the rocks, it's like a glass, it's very slidey. Don't ever come up here if it's wet, by the way. I can't even imagine. Everywhere I go at the minute there's ants. There's no ants up here. They always said ants were smart. Gee whiz. Don't look! Just got pooed on. Luckily it was a small one. The chains have stopped. It's getting worse and the chains have stopped. It's funny. See where there's bushes? I feel safer, which is a load of rubbish. Falling into the bush, you're falling off a cliff. Oh my god, look at that. I want to know what nutcase carried the sign up. If you were going to fall, right, that is much more slopey and bushy and grassy, so a bit softer, but you would definitely die. So would you rather have that or straight off a straight cliff and over with? Something tells me I'd want that better. It just seems not as violent. But yeah, off the cliff would be the best, wouldn't it? I'm nearly at the top. There's no giving up today. Whew. I'm not as tired because I've been stopping more often because I've been frightened. Like, look at this, there's no path. Oh my. Do you think I'm getting a bit fitter? No jelly legs today. Oh my god. Right. So I'm at the top, but I've just been told there's two tops. I have a friend. Hello. Yeah, I've just been told there are two tops. Two, and I followed the red dot, but there's two red dots. One leads you to the seaside and the other one leads you to where you can see the town inland. But seen plenty of it on the way up. Can't believe I made it to the top. Right, I'm going to give you this, I can't believe I'm going to give you a spin here. I'm going to give you a spin, a 360. Are you ready? You. Sorry, couldn't resist. Right, I'm going to sit down, I'm going to have a puff of my e-cig, a drink of lemonade, and it turns out there was no taxi, so I'll start walking down. I'm glad there weren't too many people here. I wouldn't have liked getting up there when it's really busy, and I looked at it on the internet and there's times it's really busy where you're having to wait a lot to pass people. I didn't like passing people in the bit that I did. And I did eventually pass people. I passed all those people, that, the kid, the mom and his wife, and the kids and the dogs. Whenever the mom passed me the first time in Spanish, and I went, oh, and he said, oh, tap, tap, tap. And whenever I passed him the second time, he went, oh, no, no, no. Do you like that? I can't believe I'm this close to the edge of a cliff. But clinging on like dear life. See Benidorm. Never felt as on top of the world as I do at this moment. Unbelievable. The drones got them all excited. If anything is worth the fear of that climb, this is. In saying that, I'm not looking forward to climbing back down. Right, guys, I'm going to stop videoing. I want to put my video in the bag. I was going to say enjoy the walk down. I'm not going to enjoy the walk down, but I'm going to leave it off there. So if you enjoyed the video, subscribe, it'd be brilliant. You American people, subscribe, it'd be great. And I'm nearly at 1,000. Love to hear your comments. Thumbs up really helps the channel. So I'll leave it off there. Until next time, bye for now.
1 hour later.
Oh, tunnel. Oh, I've never been as relieved to see anything in my life. I love this tunnel.
Flashback.
Slippery as hell. I really don't like this tunnel.
End of flashback.
Flipping easy. No problem. Amazing.
Photo? Can I get a photo?
Yes. Thank God for that.